In 8.32, they just want you to remember that photosynthesis has two reactions. And again, we talked about this in the SL stuff. So there's a light reaction, a light-dependent reaction, excuse me, and a light-independent reaction. So basically, the light-dependent reaction needs light, and the light-independent reaction is like, whatever. If you have it, sure, it doesn't make a difference because I don't even need it. So I'm just going to talk about like the goals of the two reactions, like the outcomes, like why do we have these two reactions? So goals. So the light-dependent reaction, we abbreviate as LDR. And the light-independent reaction, we abbreviate as LIR. That's how they do it. Fancy. So the goal of the light-dependent reaction is to generate ATP and also to generate NADPH. So these are two molecules that are going to be very important for the light-independent reaction to happen. So if you remember, we said that light is used to break down our water in our equation. It's called photolysis. And that hydrogen is going to create a big concentration of protons, right? And that hydrogen will eventually go down the ATP synthase protein to generate our ATP. So that's how we create the ATP. Also in this process, we're going to see that there's some electrons that are eventually going to make our NADPH. So these are the two main goals of the light-dependent reaction. The light-independent reaction is going to use this ATP, this energy, to basically take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and fix it to this molecule we will talk about later. And I don't want to give too much information. And that's eventually going to make organic molecules, for example, glucose. So this is the big outcome in the light-independent reaction.